Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and the Microsoft C/C++ extension so you get IntelliSense and debugging. Next, install a compiler, GCC, MinGW, or Clang, and make sure the binary folder is on your path so the editor can call it. Once done, create a project folder, open it in VS Code, then add a simple main. C or main. CPP file. Make sure your editor shows the language mode, and that the extension activated before moving on to build configuration. Now configure repeatable builds and debugging. Open Command Palette and set up a tasks. JSON that runs G++ or GCC with your flags so you can build with a single command. Then create launch. JSON to specify the debug adapter, program path, and any arguments. This lets you hit F5 to debug. Also edit CPP properties. JSON to set include path and compiler path so IntelliSense resolves headers. Once these files exist, test a build, then launch the debugger to verify breakpoint behavior. Finish by running the compiled program inside the integrated terminal and use F5 or the debug button to start a session. Set breakpoints and step through code to observe behavior. Use watch, call stack, and variables to inspect state, and adjust compiler flags for optimization or warnings as needed. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: recheck that the compiler binary is on path and that compiler path and program paths in tasks. JSON/launch. JSON exactly match your system. Fixing those usually resolves build or debug failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.